What's up, guys? New Frontiers Yu-Gi-Oh! Here. We're coming at you with a duel video. We are doing Trains versus Metalfoe Dinomist. And sorry we haven't uploaded in a while. Somebody had our tripod and we couldn't get it back.
Sorry.
Yeah, it was Barrett. Anyway, yeah, hopefully we can get our videos back on track and let's get this duel started. Alright, I got a 5.
Alright. Got a 10.
Oh, just like his Trains.
A.
Alright, so I'm assuming you're playing first?
Yep.
Alright, and there will not be any sideboarding in this duel whatsoever. It's just going to be a 2 out of 3, no sides.
Okay, let's see. Just a second. Okay, I go switch yard.
Okay.
Activate effective switch yard. Discard terraforming. Well, not discard, just send.
Send terraforming.
Yeah. Add Night Express.
Okay.
Interrupted Kaiju Slumber. I give you a Kaiju, give me a Kaiju, we all get Kaiju.
No, you're good. Alright.
Normal summon Express Knight.
Alright.
Attack becomes 0. Over. And Redeye.
Yep.
Expect to detach, destroy, you take 1,000.
Alright, so current is 7k and 8k. Alright.
Set, and your move.
Draw for turn. Special summon Gofu.
Alright.
Tokens.
Yep.
Let's go. E-Telly.
Okay.
Special summon Metalfoe Silver.
You got it. Still think it sucks that the tokens can't be used for.
Oh, that's fine for me.
Well, yeah, I'm just talking like in general for the card itself.
Yeah, but it keeps people from making some serious plays, especially in Monarchs.
Yeah. Well, they're gonna be dead here soon, so.
Yeah, well, some people don't think they will be. Gold Driver. In the Pendulum Zone.
Alright.
Effective Gold Driver, I pop one of my tokens.
You got it?
Can you see the Gold Driver now? Okay.
Yeah.
Set Metalfoe Fusion.
Alright.
So with Buster Rancher, if I equip it in the monsters in defense mode, it gains like that defense plus 100 or whatever it would be.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Activate Metalfoe Fusion.
Okay.
Silvered in the token.
Oh, that's right. It doesn't say anything about fusing.
Special summon Metalfoe's Adamant.
Alright.
Effective Metalfoe Fusion.
Oh, God.
Shuffle the draw.
Your ass is gonna get raped.
Yeah. Well, this is only, well, technically day 1 of the new build. But I haven't been able to really use much of it.
You want to cut?
Sure.
Okay. Special summon.
Mm-hmm.
Ultimaya.
Yeah, there it is. Oy vey.
Set. Ultimaya effect.
Yep. I swear if it's a friggin'.
Ignister.
Okay. I love how there hasn't been a single Dinomist played.
Ignister effect. Pop Gold Driver. Spin back. Your. Yeah, let's spin back your little thing there.
Yep.
And then use the other effect of Ignister.
Okay.
Special summon a Draco Slayer. Let's go with Luster Pendulum, the Draco Slayer.
Alright.
And just so everybody knows, I have not used my normal summon yet this turn,
Yeah.
so there's a very, very high chance I'm just going to end up killing him this turn.
I don't doubt it.
I'm kidding, I won't be able to. It'd be great though. That was just set. So let's go normal summon,
Okay.
battle phase,
Alright.
1850.
Reflex line.
Oh, I saw that coming. So
Do you wish to
Overlay?
no? Okay.
main phase 2 overlay.
Alright.
So he won't attack into the metal reflex time, even though.
God
he
no,
should.
I'm not stupid.
Unlike Diddlin.
Oh. Oh, whoa, dude. Dang.
I'm going to go where. Oh, Wolven Dragon.
Okay.
Nope, can't do that.
What?
Not with
Oh yeah,
Ignister.
it's water. That's right.
No, it has to be can't do it. It has to be the Paladin. I just expect a Paladin.
No, it doesn't.
XYZ. Yeah, no, it does with this effect. Has
Oh,
to.
that's right. Yeah,
Oh.
doesn't hurt. Okay, so end phase
Okay.
effect.
What are you searching for?
Just a pendulum monster.
Okay. I'm actually gonna see a Dinomist
I don't know. Will you?
instead of godforsaken Metalfoes.
Sword.
Oh, there it is. God. It's just such a good engine, like.
Oh no, I don't want sword.
Oh shit! He's scared. He's scared now.
Stop.
Gold Driver.
Alright.
Not Gold Driver. I'm
What
totally,
the deuce, man?
totally messing up my friggin' plays. It's stealing. There we go.
There it is.
That's the one I want.
You sure?
Yes, I'm
Final
sure.
answer.
Yes. Ask me again. See what happens. It is your turn now, because that was my end phase.
Okay. Set. Ah, crap. Kaiju, Slumber Effect. Go ahead and banish it. Add Kaiju hand.
Okay.
Add a Gamma.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so test build is done.
For your scrums.
Yes.
Oh god.
But I'm gonna take out a lot of shit though for like polymerization and flash fusion.
Nope, you're good.
Alright.
The splash fusion's always good because it's all normal. So sorry. Go ahead.
You switch artifact. Ditch rail car.
Oh, snap.
And express. Oh, if I don't kill the card first.
Yes, kill the card.
No, you don't want it.
You're good.
Okay. Tribute off.
That's fine.
Do that. Normal summon. overlay.
Okay.
Let's see, what am I at?
You're at 8. I'm at 7.
Okay.
So how many? Oh,
Let's see. I go Ravenous, then into Pain Gainer, then into 7 Sins.
Okay.
And I go ahead and attack Ignister.
Okay.
And oh,
Counter.
okay.
Counter effect.
Alright,
Special low driver.
alright.
Alright, that 4,000 beat stick.
Mm-hmm. See, how much did you take from that?
I took 1150.
Okay.
So 60. So I'm at 5850.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alright. End phase, Car's effect.
Yep.
Add Night Express.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to cut or no?
Nope.
Okay. Alright, and go ahead and go.
Okay. Drop. During my standby phase,
Okay.
activate Metalfoe counter. Add gold driver to my hand.
Okay.
Let's see here. If I remember. Okay, once per turn.
I can only use his, if it's going to be destroyed, detach 1.
Okay. So I could spin that back for 1, 2. Let's go.
Mm.
Can't really do that right now.
And then Nick's over there just building his scrums.
don't tell people. Don't want it to become too
Okay,
long.
so I will. Take defensive, so let's move those 2 into defense.
Alright.
Scale gold driver.
Alright.
Scale stealing.
Alright.
And then move on. Show.
Pop the mass seal.
Okay. For Metalfoe.
Metalfoe effect.
Which one?
Gold driver.
Okay. Sorry, just for.
No, it's fine.
sake. Okay.
Metalfoe fusion. Cut? Yes, no?
Nope.
Okay. Normal summon silver.
Okay.
Metalfoe Fusion.
Alright.
What are you gonna do with the 4,000 Peter, dude? I didn't realize what he had on the field.
I'm gonna say no.
Okay.
Dock me 2.
So you're at 6,000.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're just gonna keep going with the video.
Fusion effect. We're gonna stop it and then record another. Shuffle and draw.
Well, lasting longer than I even thought I would in the first place.
Oh no, it's fine. You are perfectly fine. You're doing a lot better than
Earlier.
Mine.
earlier. That's
Yeah,
for sure.
dude, like, I got...
Just shut up, Trev.
I just got desecrated.
Stealing effect. Pop gold driver.
Okay. Is this me? Well, no, this is main phase 1.
This is domain phase 1.
Yeah. And that's set directly from deck, yep.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm going to set Metalfoe counter.
Alright. May I read this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. Okay.
You can go.
Alright. Use 7 Sins effect.
Banish.
Yep, and attach that to this as material.
Really? It's
Yep.
attached? Okay.
Nick. Let's see. Check my hand real fast. Ooh. We'll go Kaiju Slumber, use 7 Sins effect to detach and
Okay.
prevent its destruction.
I believe it's only once per turn.
The destruct?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh no, it's whenever. Okay.
Okay. So you get a kaiju. You get a kaiju, and I swear to God, if I don't have the freaking. Well, yeah, I have to give you Jizukuru because I don't have any. Because somebody took the other Kamungus out.
It wasn't doing anything for you.
Yeah, fair enough. Bless you. Normal. Over.
What's life totals at?
It's 5850 to 6K.
Oh! 1, 2, 3. Effects.
Once per turn. His effect can only be used once per turn.
That's right.
It's in quotes. 'Cause it says right.
So.
I'm still happy with that.
Oh no, you can actually still do that. You're good.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Because his name isn't in quotes, so
Yeah.
it's just there's that.
Alright.
Yep, you got it.
Yeah.
All right.
8,000.
Fucking 2-7
Wow.
Sins. All right, that was game 1, guys. Stay tuned for game 2.
Dude.